Nagaraja, who is an Indian but still in Sri Lanka.
Ayubovan, good evening. My name is KP Nagaraja. I am the president of Rotary Club of Colombo West. My friend Varun Gulati, Rotarian from Singapore, already explained what Rotary is. I thank all the Teros, Mahanayakas who are seated here for organizing this event and blessing this event. Special thanks to Teru Bukanurve Devananda, whom I met recently, and through Varun I got connected to Hamaduru. Through Rotary, as my friend already explained, we are doing a lot of community service, various 7 areas of community development. In that, mother and child is also very important. So already all the speakers explained what is the importance of mothers in the world. Without mother, there is no, even the universe itself is mother. We call earth as mother. So everyone is mother. Without mother, no existence. So today is a special occasion, recognizing and supporting pregnant mothers to bring healthy child into the world. Motherhood is one of life's most beautiful journey. Each of you carries not just a child, but the future of our nation. Your strength, patience, and love are the foundation upon which healthy families and strong communities and strong nations are built. At Rotary, we believe that caring for mothers is caring for humanity itself. Your health, nutrition, and well-being are utmost importance, not only for you, but for the precious life you nurture within. I encourage each of you to take good care of your health, follow medical advice regularly, and most importantly, stay positive and hopeful. Please remember, you are not alone. We are together with you. Our healthcare partners, all the government officials who supported this event and organized this event, they are with you. May your journey to motherhood be safe, joyful, and filled with blessings. We look forward to seeing you healthy mothers and healthy babies who will one day shape a better Sri Lanka and better universe. Thank you very much.